Hello guys. Welcome to Face Make channel everyone. Today's video will tell about the benefits and uses of Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Dry Touch Sunscreen. So let's start today's video. Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Dry Touch Water Resistant and Non-Greasy Sunscreen Lotion with Broad Spectrum SPF 70, 3 FL. It is a powerful sunscreen. 3 fluid ounce bottle of Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Dry Touch Non-Greasy Sunscreen with SPF 70 that helps defend against the signs of sun and decrease the risk of skin cancer caused by the sun when used as directed. This lightweight and sheer sunscreen is fast absorbing with dry touch technology for a non-greasy, matte finish and is formulated with Helioplex for superior sun protection for your skin. Packaging and formulation may vary. This sunscreen lotion helps prevent sunburn and when used as directed, may help decrease the risk of skin cancer caused by the sun, both PABA-free and non-comedogenic. This lightweight sunscreen provides powerful face and body sun protection without the heavy finish, making it great to use for daily sun protection. Non-greasy sunscreen from the #1 dermatologist recommended suncare brand. This sunscreen is also available in both spray and stick form and can be used at the pool or in the ocean for up to 80 minutes of water resistance. If you like our video, then like, comment, share and of course subscribe the channel and stay tuned for more videos about makeup. Bye bye.